6:14 this morning, and this is a strong cold front because the front has come through Austin, and really just about an hour and a half ago, the temperature in Austin was 70 degrees. It is now down to 54, and look at these 30s and 20s behind. It's not in San Antonio yet. They're next in line, then Laredo, and as usual, will be the last ones to see this front during the late afternoon. It looks like 4, 5, 6 o'clock. But then our temperatures are going to change as well. But that means that during the day today, you're not going to need a jacket. Again, if anything, the model's underdoing the temperatures a little bit. We're mainly in the low to mid 70s instead of the upper 60s to low 70s. And that probably is going to continue to be the case throughout the day. The model probably underdoing our temperatures a little bit. A mostly cloudy start. I actually think there's going to be quite a bit of sunshine around lunchtime. We'll call it partly to mostly sunny. It's going to be breezy today, not as windy as yesterday. We'll call it just a breezy day. We're not under a wind advisory like we were yesterday, so the winds will be lighter, but you're still going to notice the wind. And again, I bet it's going to be mid to upper 80s versus low to mid 80s like the model showing here. It tends to underdo temperatures a little bit before the front. But I do think it gets accurate again once the front gets here. Notice even at 6 o'clock, as that front is working over us, our temperatures are still going to be pretty comfortable, mid to upper 70s. And yes, there is a small rain chance. Look at that little bit of green showing up, but also notice where it is. It's mainly going to be near the coast. The farther west you live, the tougher it's going to be to see rain. In fact, I bet we don't see any showers at all. Western Starr County, I just don't think it's going to happen. Even western Hidalgo County, eastern Starr County, going to be awfully tough to see rain. By far the best chance near the coast. Even there, not a guarantee you're going to see any rain. Now notice by midnight tonight, again, temperatures are just going to keep on dropping all night long. I bet we're going to be in the upper 50s to low 60s. And it's going to be windy. So tomorrow morning, as you're heading out the door at 7 a.m., our temperatures may just be in the mid to upper 40s, which is still a huge difference from what we're seeing this morning. But because it's going to be windy, it is not going to feel this warm. It's going to feel like the upper 30s tomorrow morning. So I do think many are going to want the hats and gloves. And you might take the hats and gloves off in the afternoon. Notice there's going to be a lot of sun tomorrow, but our high temperatures are probably going to be in the upper 50s and low 60s. And yes, it's still going to be windy. So again, even in the afternoon, feeling like the mid to upper 50s. So yeah, probably taking the hats and gloves off, but you're still going to want a jacket even tomorrow afternoon, even with all that sun. 84 for our high today. There's going to be more cloud cover than what we saw over the weekend, but we're still going to have some sun. In fact, we're probably going to have quite a bit of sun. Again, 11 a.m., noon, 1 o'clock. There probably won't be all that many clouds around, but the clouds will thicken up again late this afternoon with the front, and they could be a few showers mixed in with the clouds, but there's not going to be much. A breezy day with gusts around 25 miles per hour. I'm going to call it windy tonight. Lows around 46. A cold night. But notice the rain chance goes away after this afternoon. I think all the rain ends by 7 o'clock this evening. The rest of the night just partly cloudy and windy. Feeling colder than that 46. Feeling more like the upper 30s. And it's still going to be windy tomorrow. A high of 60 degrees, but probably feeling no warmer than the upper 50s, even though it's going to be a mostly sunny day and absolutely no chance of rain. And check out Tuesday night, 38. But again, because it's not going to be windy, I think that really tonight and tomorrow night are really going to feel about the same. Clear skies and bright sunny skies on Wednesday. And it's still a pretty chilly day, only getting to 61. But again, without that wind chill factor. So that's going to be the biggest difference between Tuesday and Wednesday. Still a lot of wind Tuesday. There will not be much wind on Wednesday. Notice we'll warm back up to highs in the 70s, but another cold night Wednesday night in the low 40s. I do think we have a better chance of rain with a weak cold front on Friday. This is going to be more of a rainmaker instead of a temperature drop. Now, it's still not a guarantee we're going to see rain, but we'll call it scattered showers and mostly cloudy for Friday. I do think that rain comes to an end Friday evening. During the day, Saturday looks dry. There could be a few showers late Saturday night, but then back to dry weather on Sunday. Notice today is our last day on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast with highs in the 80s. Guys, back to you.